Have you ever wondered how oil and gas are discovered, produced, and refined into the fuels we use every day? That's where petroleum engineering comes in. Definition: Petroleum engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the exploration, drilling, production, and management of oil and gas resources. Role of petroleum engineer: petroleum engineers design drilling methods, analyze reservoir data, and ensure safe, economical extraction of hydrocarbons. Main areas of branch: exploration engineering, locating oil and gas reserves. Drilling engineering, designing and managing drilling operations. Production engineering, optimizing oil and gas extraction. Reservoir engineering, analyzing reservoir behavior to maximize recovery. How it works: simple process flow. Geologists identify potential oil-bearing rocks. Engineers plan and drill wells. Crude oil and gas are extracted and sent for processing. Production is optimized and monitored over time. Depleted wells are safely closed and managed. Tools and technology used: drilling rigs, mud pumps and blowout preventer, simulation and reservoir modeling software, sensors, drones, and AI for monitoring operations. Importance of petroleum engineering: provides fuel for transportation and power generation, supplies raw materials for plastics, fertilizers, and chemicals, drives national economies and global trade. Helps manage energy resources responsibly. Future scope and challenges: transition toward cleaner and more efficient energy use of AI, robotics, and data analytics and exploration. Focus on sustainability, carbon capture, and renewable integration. High demand for skilled petroleum engineers globally. Education and career path: degree required, bachelor's in petroleum engineering or related fields, chemical, mechanical, etc. Key skills: problem solving, mathematics, geology. Teamwork. Career options: drilling engineer, production engineer, reservoir engineer. Field specialists. Top employers and workplace: oil companies, Shell, BP, Chevron, ExxonMobil. Service companies, Schlumberger, Halliburton, Baker. U.S. government and research sectors, offshore platforms, refineries, and oil fields. Conclusion: petroleum engineering is not just about oil, it's about powering the world responsibly. It combines science, technology, and innovation to meet global energy needs. If you're passionate about energy, problem solving, and the environment, this field can shape your future.